Wait. Right. So sixth problem is, so two dice are thrown. The events A, B, C are. A, B, C events you should be take. Okay, now? A getting an even number on the first die. B is getting an odd number on the first die. And C getting some of the numbers of the die. C is less than or equal to 5. Once again, I am explaining the 16.2 exercise, sixth problem. Everyone, some problems is completed, but once again, I am explaining the problem. Everyone see. So once again, I am explaining that problem. Once again, see. Right. Sixth problem. So two dice is there, not one die. Two dice is there. Each die have the 6 faces. So second die also have the 6 faces. Therefore, two dice. Therefore, two dice. I am going to represent two dice here. Double dice. Double S is the sample space. So each sample point is a 2 point. Everyone write down. So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 by the trick method. So 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. One vertical is completed. Next 2 comma 1, 2 vertical, horizontals 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4 and 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 6, 2 also completed. Next I go through the 3, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. Okay, na? Next I go through the 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2 and 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 4 and 4 comma 5 and 4 comma 6. So 4 also completed. 5 comma 1 and the next 6 comma 1 also needed. 5 comma 2 and 5 comma 3 and 5 comma 4 and 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. Right. Next 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3 and 6 comma 4 and 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. Total by the trick method. 2 dice I will write. Okay, na? Everyone clear? Now what is the 1 by 1 point I will observe? A. First A event. Event A. What is telling? First die is the even number. So die even number. Die numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that one, even numbers are 2, 4, 6. First die. Even number start with 2 comma 1. First die is the even number. What about the second die? No need. Second die any number, no objection. Second die no any number, no objection. Either even number or odd number, no objection. Okay, na? Right. Next another even number is the first die 4 comma 1. Second die whatever the number, second place is the any number. Second place is the any number. Second place is the 4. Second place is the 5. Second place is the 6. No objection for second place. Last even number is 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2. First die is the even number. Second die no objection. 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Same. Write down everyone. B set. B event is odd number is the first die. Odd number means 1 and next 3 and 5 we can take. 1 comma 1 second die no objection. First die only odd number. Second place is the no objection. So 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Okay na? 1 comma 6. Next odd number is 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. Next odd number is, what is odd number? Next one is the 5. Right, write down the 5 odd number. 5 comma 1. So first place is the odd number. Second place is the no objection. 5 comma 3. First place is the odd number 5. First place is the odd number 5. Second place is the no objection. Right. I go through the C. What is the C is given by C? Sum of the numbers mean one, two numbers sum. First die number, second die number sum is less than or equal to 5. Sum is less than or equal to 5 is needed. That means least is the 1 plus 1 is the 2, highest is the 6 plus 6 is the 12. So less than or equal to 5 mean 2 sum is required, 3 sum is required, and 4 sum is required, and 5 sum is required. Right. 2 sum means 1 comma 1 is completed. Everyone see 1 comma 1. Is it clear? Next, 3 sum is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, immediately reverse 2 comma 1, and 3 sum completed. 4 sum is 1 comma 3, reverse 3 comma 1. Next, so 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 completed. 1 comma 4, reverse is the 4 comma 1. Okay na? 1 is completed. Next I will write, everyone observe 2 comma 1 completed, 3 comma 1 completed, 4 comma 1 completed, 2 comma 2, okay, 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 and the sum is 2 comma 2, 2 comma 5, sorry, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. Right. See, any other is possible. Let's see. Anyone? First you have to check. 1 comma 1 correct. 1 comma 2 correct. 3. 1 comma 3 correct. 4. 1 comma 4 correct. Right. 1 comma 2 means 2 comma 1. 1 comma 3 means reverse 3 comma 1. Comma 4 means reverse 4 comma 1. Next 2 comma 2 is the 4. 2 comma 3 is the 5, 3 comma 2. Right. These are the C events. Okay. Na? One by one bit CM. So first bit is A dash means not A. First bit is in A dash means not A. Not A means not even number. Odd number same B. A dash is equal to B. So not even number means odd number is the first place. First place not even number. So odd number is the first place, same B. Second bit. Go through the second bit, everyone. What is the second bit is? See. Second bit is given by not B. B dash means not B. Not B means not first place is the odd number means even number that is equal to A. Right. Third bit is, what is the third bit is given by A or B. A or B means A union B. A is the even numbers, B is the odd number, total is the sample space. That's enough. Total is the sample space. Okay, na? So total is the sample space. Next, fourth bit, observe A and B. So here A is the even number first place, B is the odd number first place. Total will come sample space. A and B means A intersection B. What is the common? A is the even number and B is the odd number. First place, no common, therefore empty set. Next, fifth bit is, everyone go through the fifth bit. What is the fifth bit is? In A but not A but not C. A but not C. A but not C mean A minus C. A events minus C events. In A events, what is the difference we have to cancel? A events minus C events. In C events is 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 cancel, 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 cancel. Okay na? 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 cancel. In A minus C, what we are getting the write down everyone. So simply, and 2 comma 2 2 comma 2 cancel, and 2 comma 3 2 comma 3 cancel, 3 comma 2. Next cancellation numbers write down. What is the remaining number is 1 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 cancel, 2 comma 2 cancel, 2 comma 3 cancel, and next 2 comma 4 is remaining, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, and 2 comma 6. 2 comma 6. Okay na? So 2 comma 1 cancel, 2 comma 2 cancel, 2 comma 3 cancel, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6 is remaining. Right. Next, 4 comma 1 cancel, 4 comma 1 cancel, 4 comma 2 is remaining, 4 comma 3 is remaining. Write down 4 comma 1, 4 comma 1 cancel, 4 comma 2, next 4 comma 3, next 4 comma 4, next 4 comma 5, next 4 comma 6, 4 comma 6. Next, what is the remaining is? Next cancellation with the 6 cm, no other 6 letter. So I will write 6 letters, total is copying 6 comma 1, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, next 6 comma 3, next 6 comma 4, next 6 comma 5, next 6 comma 6. That's enough. That is the A minus C. Okay na? Right. Next, sixth bit is B union CM. B union C. First B elements and C element. Any element is repeated, write down one time. B union C. Abhay, one time we can see video. Any doubt is means put in my WhatsApp. I will explain. Okay na? Right. B union C. B union C. Any doubts we can be see, and we can be put in my WhatsApp. I will explain. Okay na? I don't open the chart because of they are making the trouble. Okay na? Right. Understand that point. Any doubt we can put my WhatsApp. I will give answer. B union C. Everyone see B union C. B union C. B and C. B and C. One repeated. Therefore, one time write down. Next to 1 comma 2. 1 comma repeated. One time write down. 1 comma 2. Next 1 comma 3. Next 1 comma 4. Next 1 comma 5. Next 1 comma 6. B elements total B write down. 1 comma 6 and 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 1. Right, 2 comma 1 here is there. In C, 2 comma 1 also there. 2 comma 1 write down. Next 2 comma 2 also there. 2 comma 3 also there. 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Okay na? 2 comma 3. Next 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 one time. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5. Okay na? Next 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 6. Okay. Next 4 comma 1, 4 comma 1, and 5. Next 4 comma 1. Next 5 write down everyone. 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Okay na? Right. This is the B union C. Next, everyone write down B intersection C. Same. What is the common elements? Write down B intersection C. Seventh bit is common elements. Write down B intersection C. B and C common element. What is the common element? B and C. The 1 comma 1 is the common. Next 1 comma 2 is the common. 1 comma 3 is the common. 1 comma 4 is the common. Next 3 comma 1 is the common, and 3 comma 2 is the common. That's enough common element. B intersection C also completed. Last bit among, that is the 8th bit. We should complete the 8th bit means. We should complete the 8th bit mean. Total is completed. Right. Everyone see. I go through the 8th bit. Everyone see the 8th bit. For the 8th bit is. Everyone see the 8th bit. Now I go through the 8th bit. What is the 8th bit is given by? Everyone see the 8th bit. Right. Right. Everyone see the 8th bit. What is the 8th bit is? A intersection. 8th bit is A intersection B dash intersection C dash. Okay na? A intersection B intersection C dash one time C. For this one, first to find out the B dash is the same A, not A, not B means same A. So A, B dash is the A only. Intersection C dash, A intersection A is the A. Intersection C dash. Once again observe intersection C dash. Okay na? So B dash is the same A. A intersection A is A intersection C dash. What is the A element and other than C elements? What is the other than C elements? See the, in that one C dash mean, so in that one only 1 1 and sample space only 1 1 and 1 2 only in sample space. C dash is the only 1 1 1 2 and only 1 1 1 2. I will cancel C. 1 1 cancel in sample space. 1 2 cancel in sample space. 2 1 cancel in sample space. and 1 3 cancel, and 3 1 cancel, 3 1 cancel, and 1 4 cancel, and 4 1 cancel, 4 1 cancel. Okay, 4 1 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 2 3 cancel, 3 2 cancel. Other all elements are there in, this is the C dash. Okay, na? First I will write A. First I will write what are the A, total A elements, total A elements, intersection. C dash is the, these are the cancellation, remaining all are there. Okay, na? C dash is the remaining all are there. That is, what is the remaining is 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, next 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, next 2 comma 6, next 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Okay, next 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, and 4 comma 6, 4 comma 6. Next 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 2, and 5 comma 3, and 5 comma 4, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Next 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, and 6 comma 3, and 6 comma 3, 6 comma 3. One time observe 6 comma 3, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 3. Next 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, and 6 comma 6. Now take common element A, and in this one common element A already we have even number is the starting. Now write down the common element A intersection C. What is the common element C? 2 comma 4 is common. Next 2 comma 5 is common. Next 2 comma 6 is common, right? 2 comma 6 is common, right? Next one 2 comma 6 is common. Next 4 comma 2 is common. 4 comma 3 is common. 4 comma 4 is common. 4 comma 5 is 4 comma 5 is common. 4 comma 6 is common. Next start with 6. 6 comma 1 is common. 6 comma 2 is common. 6 comma 3 is common. 6 comma 4 is common. 6 comma 5 is common. 6 comma 6 is common. Okay, na? So these are the 8th bit. Last, everyone go through the 7th problem. So now the total exercise is going, the cancellation completed. Everyone, last we go through the seventh problem. What is the 7th problem? One time observe everyone. Same problem, but they are asking the 7th problem. Same problem. What is the 7th problem is true or false. A and B are mutually exclusive, right? A and B no common. A and B no common. Therefore, A intersection B no common empty set. Therefore, A and B are mutually exclusive events. Right? This is the true. Mutually exclusive is the true. Exclusive events is the correct one. No common in A and C. Therefore, it is the true. Right. First bit is completed. Second bit, A and B are mutually exclusive is correct. And A and B is equal to exhaustive also correct. A intersection B is equal to no common, mutually exclusive. A union B is equal to sample space exhausting. Therefore, it is also true. Last third bit is A is B not B is equal to A. So A is equal to not B is true. Already we checked, right? And fourth bit is A and C are mutually exclusive is A and C are mutually exclusive is wrong. A and C are fourth bit CM. Fourth bit any common and A and C. A and C 4 comma 1 is common, 2 comma 2 is common. A intersection C, some elements are common. What is the common is? So 2 comma 1 is common, 2 comma 2 is common, right? 4 comma 1 is common, 2 comma 3 is common. Therefore, it is not a mutually exclusive. False. False. Fourth bit is false. Everyone. Fourth bit is false. Last seventh problem. I go through the sixth bit. Fourth bit is completed. I go through the fifth bit. Everyone see the fifth bit. A and B dash are mutually exclusive. Wrong. Fifth bit is A and B dash. A and means intersection. A intersection B dash. So A intersection B dash is the A equal. It have a common A, not mutually. This is the false. Right. Fifth bit also completed. Sixth bit, A dash, B dash, C dash are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Right. Sixth bit is A dash is equal to B, B dash is equal to A. Okay, na? C dash is equal to, already I will write. So everyone see the C dash, other than already it is here, other than one, you have to complete that bit. Okay, na? You have to complete that bit. Everyone complete this bit. Right. I go through the exercise 16.3, some points. I go through the discussion of the some points for the exercise 16.3. Right. Everyone see, I go through the time is 6 minutes is there. I will explain. So everyone 16.3 fundamental. See everyone. See exercise 16.3 fundamentals. First discussion of the basics of basics of exercise 16.3. First see the everyone basics. So what is the basic? First one is axiomatic. Already you know this point. Axiomatic. Axiomatic means rules. Axiomatic means rules. Approach to probability. Axiomatic approach to approach to probability. Everyone underline this one. Axiomatic approach to probability. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Axiomatic means I will tell rules. What are the rules for the? I will explain examples. I will write rules. One by one rules I will write. Everyone see carefully. So first one, I will take one example for die. Die means it have the 6 faces. Any face will come by drawing. Therefore, its sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any one face will come. Okay, na? Right. Everyone observe. This is called, one is called event, one work. Event of 1 and event of 2 and event of 3. One work done, 2 work done, 3 will come, or 4 will come, or 5 will come, or 6 will come. These are called events. Okay, na? E of 6. These are called events. Therefore, how many sample space will give the total number? Sample space will give the total number of event. Number of elements in sample space is total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is equal to 6, right? Probability of event 1 is equal to how many numbers is 1 is there in S, means only one number, by total is a 6 probability formula. Okay, na? Probability formula is probability of event is equal to total number of favorable outcomes. Total number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. By total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Okay, na? Right. Everyone here, favor one number, probability of one number only 1, by total is the 6. Probability of 2 number is only 1 is there, and 1 by 6. 2 is only one number. Therefore, probability of 3 is equal to 3 only one time. Therefore, 1 by 6. 4 also one time will come. Therefore, 1 by 6. 5 also come one time. Therefore, 1 by total is the 6. 6 also come one time. Therefore, 6 is the only one time. 1 by 6. 6 is the only one time. Okay, now this is the. Now observe, every probability is so equal to 0 or above 0. Positive number equal to 0, maybe above 0. Okay, na? If empty set probability is the empty set probability is, so empty set is the only 0, no element, by 6, therefore 0. So either equal to 0 or above 0. 1 by 6 is the 0.1. So 2 by 1 by 6, 0. Therefore, every probability is either 0 or above 0, 0.1 something. Okay, na? Either 0 or above 0 up to 1 only. Okay, na? Up to 1 is possible. For example, 6 numbers is there. So total number of 6 by 6 is the 1. Up to 1 is possible. Therefore, rule number 1 is the probability may be equal to 0 or above 0. It must be less than 1. How it is 1, sir? I will tell example. Okay, na? Rule number 1 is completed. It is how it is equal to 1, sir? I will tell. Now see it. Sample space, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5. So every sample space add P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 6. Every sample space, every probability add 6 numbers is there. 6 probability 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 2, 4, 5 plus 1 by 6. Total is the